Hey, this is David Saddlemeyer, Century 21, the Realty Group, and I am pumped to show you this epic renovation located at 107 Poplar Street in Carthage, North Carolina, close to Pinehurst. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. That's number 4. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching, and feel free to change your video options to 1080p to see it in high definition. There are so many features to point out today. 2-car garage with brand new doors, brand new roof, architectural shingles, gutters, fresh paint inside and out. Most of the windows you're seeing are brand new, most of the doors you're seeing are brand new. Decorative front door to welcome us into the foyer here. All brand new flooring and fixtures. Coat closet there. And I first have to show you this impressive living room and beautiful kitchen setup on the main floor here. And let's take a moment to appreciate all this. These wood beams and vaulted ceiling really pop. Wood burning fireplace here in the corner. A closer look. And back to this kitchen, all brand new kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, granite counters, subway tile backsplash, U-shaped kitchen, crown molding on the cabinets, and a closer look to really appreciate this. Talk about the wow factor here. Laundry room with some cabinets and the door to the 2-car garage. It's got a brand new floor. All the blinds are brand new. Unique fixtures. And check this huge deck out. Much of the wood has been replaced. With a view of the backyard. Look at all the room out here. And looking up at the balcony, coming off the owner's suite. We'll go check that out soon. And here's looking at the loft upstairs. With some extra windows, letting in lots of natural light. And this LVP flooring really stands out. Looking back at the foyer we came in through. First bedroom. And the first full bathroom. All the bathrooms are brand new, like the kitchen. There's the vanity. Toilet. And some attractive tile above the tub. Linen closet we just passed. And the next bedroom with some beadboard there. Let's go check out the owner's suite upstairs with a storage room here to the left. And I think you'll love the owner's suite here. Walk-in closet, private balcony. This is really cool. Backyard again, and looking down at the deck we were on earlier. So much thought went into all the features here with these fixtures. Careful selection of everything in this remodel. So much to appreciate. Here's the loft with, again, some extra lighting with the extra windows there. Wall sconces. And a view of the living room leading to the kitchen. And we have a barn door. So this slides open, leading to the owner's suite bathroom. Check out this vanity. It has a sliding door just like the entrance into this room. Toilet. And a pretty shower with tile from the floor to the ceiling. And the tour is not over. We have a whole nother floor to explore. Going down to the basement level with a huge family room. Closet there in the corner. Another bedroom with a closet there. Another storage room with some good space here and a brand new water heater there. And another awesome outdoor feature, this covered patio with the deck above us. And here is the backyard again. Such a unique and cool property. You have to come see this one in person to appreciate it. Give me a call, 910-723-8888. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And check back soon for more videos on my channel.